want to show you guys how easy it is to use the gel top coat for chrome nail powder kit. I was sent this to try out and it's super easy. So this is the clear chrome gel color that you're going to have. After you've already applied your base and your nail color, you want to go ahead and apply your first layer of this gel top coat for chrome nail powder. You will need a light just to help cure it. Go ahead and open any one of the powder kits that you have. These are for the chrome powder. You're going to take the little applicator and you're going to rub in the powder on top of that gel top coat that you just applied to the nail. As you can tell here, it's already starting to create that chrome look, which is very cool looking. It happens instantly. After we've applied a good bit here, I'm going to apply just a little bit more and you'll see how this looks. Now I'm applying to where I want it on this little nail tip just so you guys can see. We're going to cure it under the light and then we're going to apply one more coat of the clear gel top coat for the chrome nail powder. This is going to help seal in that shine and give it that ultra chrome, gorgeous, bright colored nail look. And then you go ahead and cure it in the light for that final time frame, and this is the look you get.